Hello everybody and welcome back, and we are going to continue on. Again, we are in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. You can find it by searching it up on Amazon, or there is a link down below. Again, I do get a small commission from any purchases, but if you want to follow along with me, that is where you can get this. So today we're going to work on puzzle number 13. So let's start with this square. We've got a 1, we're missing a 2, a 3, and a 5. So there's a 2 here. So this one can be a 3 or a 5. No help here, so 2, 3, or 5. And we've got a 2 here, so again, 3 or 5. And so because this 2 is covering this square and this 2 is covering this square, our 2 has to be here. So let's do this row. So we've got a 1, 2, we're missing a 3, 5, and 9. There's a 9 here, so 3 or 5. And we don't have any help here, so 3, 5, or 9. But again, the 9 can't be here, and the 9 can't be here. So this has to be our 9. Let's work on this square. We need a 1, a 3, and a 5. We've got no help there, so that can be a 1, 3, or 5. Same thing here, 1, 3, or 5. And here we've got a 5, so that's a 1 or a 3. Let's do this column. So we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 7. So we've got this 3 here, so 1 or 7, and then this could be anything, 1, 3, or 7. Let's do this column here. We've got a 1, 2, we're missing a 3, a 5, and a 7. We've got this 7 here, so 3 or 5. And here we've got this 5, so 3 or 7. Now again, the 7 can't be there or there, so this is our 7. And that means we can get rid of this 7 here, and so then the 7 can't be here or here. So this is our 7. Right, let's do this row here. So we've got a 1, a 2, we're missing a 3, a 5, a 7, and a 9. So we've got 7 and 9 here, so that could be the 3 or the 5. Same thing here. Here we've got a 5 and a 9, so this could be the 3 or the 7. And here we've got a 3, a 7, and the 5, so our 9 has to be here. And again, if our 7 can't be here or here, this must be our 7. We can just work on this box. So we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here and a 2 here, so that's a 1 or an 8. We've got the 3 there and the 1 there, so that's a 2 or an 8. Got the 1 here. And I think that's the only thing we've got here. So 2, 3, or 8. And here we've got the 2 and the 3. So that's 1 or 8. And so the 3 is covering here. This 3 is covering these 2, so this has to be our 3, which makes this our 1 and our 3. And then this is our 8. So if this is our 8, this is our 1 and our 2. Let's see, did we get any other help anywhere? Nope. All right, so let's finish this row. We are missing a 2. And then this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. There's a 6 here, so this is 8, and this is 6. All right, so this column, we're missing a 1, a 4, and a 6. We've got this 1 here, so this could be a 4 or a 6. No help there, so 1, 4, or 6. Oh, but that's got both a 4 and a 6, so this has to be our 1. So we can get rid of that and that. Oh, and this 3 here gets rid of the 3's. So this has to be our 5, and this is our 1. Let's do this column. We're missing 1 and 2, and because there's 1 here, this is our 2, this is our 1. To finish out this box, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 6. There's a 6 here, so this is our 3, this is our 6. And when we have that 6, that means this is a 4, and this is a 6. So this row here, we're only missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6. And in this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 and an 8. And we don't have any help. So it could be a 5 or an 8, and so could that one. Let's see, if we go this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3, a 5, and a 9. We've got a 9 here. So 3 and 5. We've already said that can't be 9. So our 9 must be here. And what are we missing in this column? We've got 1, 2. Missing the 3, the 5, and the 7, and the 7 can't be here or here. So this is our 7. So then to finish out this box, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and the 4 can't be there, so it's got to be here. And let's do this row. We've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got a 3 here, so this is our 8, this is our 3. Oh, and we had this 3 here, so that makes this our 5, this a 3, this a 5, this a 3, this a 5, this a 3. And because that's a 3, this is a 5, which makes this 8 and 5, and we just need to fill in this last one here. 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4. All right, everybody, that was puzzle number 13. Again, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you're liking, what you're not liking. And we will be back tomorrow with our next puzzle.